Hi, I'm Dave, and this is a 1 minute library hack. Let's look at finding ebooks and peer-reviewed articles on a topic using APU's Library Search Everything. Go to the library's main page by typing apu.edu/library and click in the box Search Everything. Let's say our topic is nursing spiritual care. Then click on Search. Let's narrow our results by scrolling down on the left and clicking in the box From for publication date and typing 2023 and for through 2023, and then click Apply. The first item is an ebook. Click on View ebook. If you see the Open Athens box, click in the center part and type in your LAPU email account and your LAPU email password. In this ebook, you can scroll down and click on any of the chapters and read the full chapter. Let's say that you want a peer-reviewed article. Return to your results. On the left, scroll down until you see Limit To and click on it. Then click the box next to Peer-Reviewed. For the full text, click on View Full Text. Locate the PDF icon and download the article to your computer's hard drive. This has been a 1 minute library hack.